In today's video, we want to know how to fit text around an object in CorelDraw. So you first want to create your object. We are going to be using the ellipse tool for that. After creating, you type your text. Fit text to path. Now this is a very simple step which if you follow through very well, you are going to realize that it's much simpler than you think. Now after typing your text, you go to the text tool, select Fit Text to Path. Now you move your cursor to the object you want to fit the text around. When OK with the position, you click once and your text is fitted around your object. Now you can adjust this. When we zoom in on this very end, you can see a red dot, right? You can use that to adjust the positioning of your text on the object. You can drag in if you want to. You can drag out if you want to. You can change the font of your text. You can change the size of your text as well. Now, how do we position more than one text on our object? So I'm going to type another text. I love graphic design. Okay. Same process. Fit text to path. Position it right here. Now, if you do notice, our text is turned upside down. So how do you work on that? So when you come to the property bar, you mirror vertically and mirror horizontally. That way your text becomes readable. Now there is another way to fit text around an object or fit text to a path. So follow through as we look at that as well. After typing your text, hold down Shift and select the path around which you want to fit your text. Go over to Text and select Fit Text to Path. This way, your text is fitted around the path you want it to. So you've noticed, very simple steps. Very simple steps. Thank you for watching. If you are new to the channel, we provide interested graphic design individuals with creative and branding content. Our tutorials include product labels, logo designs, social media artworks, and branding tips. So do well to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future updates. See you in our next video. In today's video,